What's up, world? Today I'm gonna be bringing y'all a brand new video. I got something special for y'all, man. I'm gonna be unboxing, man, the HP Omen, the gaming laptop. This right here, man, this that fire right here. This is that fire right here. When you need that raw power, you gotta come check this out right here, man. I can't wait to show this to y'all. This thing is powerful, man. Intel i7, 256 gigabyte SSD, 1 terabyte hard drive. This thing is powerful, man. GGDDR6. And y'all see how I was looking? About to open this bad boy for y'all. This look like that fire right here. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing y'all what it's like taking it out the box, y'all. Power brick. You know we're gonna need this, y'all. Cord to plug into your power brick. Cover. Okay. Nice quality packaging, y'all. Nice quality packaging. That brand new fresh smell. Okay, it looks beautiful outside the plastic. Y'all see this? So I want to give y'all one last angle, show you how it looks up close and personal, show you the details.